Students, welcome again to SB Math class. We are discussing about the relations and functions chapter, one of the most important chapters I have told you. And today we will discuss about the domain and range of the functions. Actually, we have discussed about the domain and range at the relation portion of this chapter. You know well what are the domain and ranges. Here we will take some examples, and with the help of those examples, when we will solve those examples, you will get more clear concept about the domain and range. So students, let's get started. I am taking some examples. Some examples I will take and some will be for your homework. So the first example, example 1, find the range of fx where fx 2 minus 3x where x belongs to the real number set. So just for the short recapitulation, you know what is the domain and what is the range. Actually, domain is the first set, that is from where the inputs are coming. Just recall the machine concept I have told you at the previous video. So there I have told about the inputs and the outputs. So from where the inputs are coming, that set is called the domain, and the set of the outputs, that is called the range. So here inputs are coming from the real number set. So this is the domain only. So here this can be taken as the domain. We have to find the set of the outputs where those are getting. So how to do? Let y equals to 2 minus 3x. Actually, what will be the process? The process of the machine, or you can say the function here defined as fx equals to 2 minus 3x. So that definition of the function you have to take as y, and then you have to write the x in terms of y. So here what it is coming? 2 minus y by 3. Now x is greater than 0, so that means 2 minus y by 3 will be greater than 0, and that means y will be less than 2. Y is less than 2. That means the greatest value, not the greatest value, actually it is called the upper bound of y. Upper bound of y is 2 only. That means the range of fx, or range of f, you can say it will be minus infinity to. That means whenever we will give some inputs here, then obviously the outputs what it will come, that will be at this range. That is, they will take all the negative values and positive values up to 2, but it will not take the value of 2 here. Take example 2, that is, here also I am just writing the fx. Fx equals to, it is given mod of x minus 1 by x minus 1. You know the mod function. I have not discussed here, but you know about this because in class 10 some part was there, in class 9 also. Mod means here mod x equals to x when x is greater than 0, and equals to minus x when x is less than 0. This is the definition of mod. Now here also fx will be 1, because when okay, I am writing when x minus 1 is greater than 0. So when this value will be greater than 0, then it will be positive, and x minus 1 by x minus 1 it is coming 1. So it will be 1 and equals to minus 1 when x minus 1 will be negative. So what it is coming? Whatever the value of x you will take, if we take x belongs to R here, whatever the values you will take here, it will give either 1 or minus 1. So the range of fx, it will be the set 1 and minus 1. Very easy. The concept is very much easy. Okay. Just you will also try to solve the questions given in your book, and if any problem then you can ask me always. Now we are doing the easy questions here. Gradually we will do the hard questions. This is the example now. Find the range of fx equals to 1 plus 3 cos 2x, where knowing a bound is given in the original question. Actually you know what will be the bound, the real number set. So here you know that is the value of cos x always lies between minus 1 to 1. The value of cos x always lies between here. So let us start from here. So cos 2x, it will be always minus 1 to 1. Now multiply with 3 cos 2x. Just see this and do here. Very easy, very easy. 3. So now 1 plus will be there. So here also 1 plus will be. So 1 minus 3 less equals to 1 plus 3 cos 2x less equals to 3 plus 1. So finally what it is coming? Minus 2 less equals to 1 plus 3 cos 2x less equals to 4. So we have got the result. Final result we have got. So range of fx, it is third bracket, that is the closed interval, minus 2 to